Hello everyone, so if you want to turn on your data roaming on your Xiaomi 480 Pro, you have to open up your settings, go down to your mobile networks, and you gotta find your data roaming. Here it is. Choose International Roaming tab, and here you'll have three variants. So the first one is never, so if you want to completely turn off roaming, choose this option. It means the data won't transfer and it will be blocked when you're outside of your home region. Exceptions only. All right, turn on exceptions only. This will allow roaming to be used only in exceptional cases. It's useful if you don't want roaming to be always on, but we would like to use it in certain situations. And always. So if you want roaming to be always on, simply choose this one and you will be always online. So basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.